Punta na kami ngayon sa dagat. So, nito natin ang mituri na. Go!
Alright, so everyone, so this is our first destination. So we're now in the Intalula Island. Okay? Ay, nalaglag.
Okay. Oh my god. So we're there. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Punta kami dun sa kabila. So beautiful. Mayroon lang kaming 30 minutes. So kailangan namin bilisan.
Destination. So this is our snorkeling area in the part of the Pangulasyan Island. Okay? So the name of that island, that's Pangulasyan Island.
Pangulasyan.
If you don't have a goggle, so we have here, but it's for rent. It's 100 pesos po.
Yes, ikaw muna. Diyan ka.
So we'll stay
Go.
here 30 minutes then.
Go, go.
And then our next stop is Snake Island. So our
Island. Yay, Ireland. Go na. Go na, go.
Picture.
Ma, say hi. Ma, say hi. Oh my gosh. Ayun, next si ate. Ano pangalan niya, te? I don't know. Nakalimutan na namin. Pero yan. Say hi!
Balikan ka na lang namin dito. Jolan. Bye-bye. After 3 hours ka nakaganyan.
Nakapagod. Super nakakapagod. So, yeah. Next destination namin ay Snake Island. Yay. Oh, ito na siya guys. Sobrang ganda ng tubig. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda ng tubig. Dito tayo sa Snake Island. Dito tayo.
Island to island, it looks like a snake. But now it's a high tide. So if you want to see the whole view of the sandbar, so you need to go hiking there in that mountain. Yes, go take a picture on the top. Okay?
Third
On the top,
destination.
we were going down the beach. We were having a lunch. Okay? So for those who want to go in the mountain, bring your water shoes or flip flops. Or something can protect your foot because this part po is very rough.
So, ayan. Malalim pala guys. Malalim siya pala. Nagulat ako. Akala ko hanggang dito ko lang. Ano ito? Ito ko. Okay naman. Gulat lang ako. So, super ganda guys. Oh my gosh. Snake. So, tayo pinakataas. Hi. Hi.
Hello there.
Pinakamataas. Kami kakain ng Lunch. Super ganda dito guys. As in super ganda. So sobrang taas man. Makapagod. Dito na kami. Dito na kami guys. Hindi pala kami dito magla-lunch. Hindi ah. Kala ko dito magla-lunch. Ito yung view guys. Super ganda ng Snake Island.
Okay, ready?
See. Oh my gosh.
Parang may saya man ito na.
So, pababa na kami. Picture lang pala. Tapos,
Dito ka kaya ako sa ano? Maganda dito pa baba.
ang ganda te. So beautiful. Yes.
Masarap.
My best friend si Mama.
Pagkain.
Indonesia.
Masarap.
Ito ang aming. Yan. Thank you kay Kuya. Kakain na kami guys. Kakain na kami. Yay! Let's eat! Hi! Say hi! Hi!
Hi.
Katapos lang namin kumain. Tapos may friend, ang ganda ko. May friend na ako. Tapos friend na kami sa ID. Ano sabi mo? Friend na kami sa ID ni ate. Nung nakaano. Wala na siyang ano. Ah. 1K. Oh my God. We will go travel together. Yeah. I will send it to you.
Yeah. Send it to me.
Let's go.
So we're going to the Kadugnon Cave po. Okay? So we need to travel 10 to 15 minutes lang po.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Snake Island. Next destination na tayo, guys. Super ganda, guys. Super ganda. Ano kami sa aming destination. Ayan. Super ganda, guys. As in, super ganda raw. Oh my gosh.
Right, so everyone, so this is our port destination. So we're in the Kadugno Cave po. Okay? So the cave is there. Okay, so for those who want to go inside, just bring your water shoes or flip-flops or something can protect your foot. Okay?
Let's go guys, super ganda niya. As in, super ganda. Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Let's go to the cave. Wow, English. Oh my gosh. Super ganda guys. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Super ganda guys. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Ganda. Wow. May mga batas. Oh my gosh. Super ganda. Ayun nga. Lumabas na kami dun sa cave kasi nga baka taihan kami ng mga inakundor. So it's beautiful guys. Super beautiful guys. Super beautiful. Ganda nga. Ang ina. Nag-picture kami sa ibang part. Oh my god. Super ganda. Goodbye. Say hi to my vlog. Sambero ko dyan.
It's going to Cathedral Cave. Okay?
Okay, let's go for the last one. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Last one. Oh no. Bye-bye.
called the Cathedral Cave. So why it's called Cathedral? Because the shape inside and outside just looks like a church. Okay. So the image here. Yep.
So pretty. So, mag-picture naman isa-isa. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-ubigo kasi may madaming ahas. Wala. Nakamuto ko na yung tama. So pretty. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Pauwi na kami.
Alright, so now we're going to travel at 30 to 40 minutes from here going to the Enligutan. Okay?
Okay, tapos na ang ating day 2. Tomorrow na ulit. Ano tomorrow? Day? 8 pero day 3.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.